I'm going to show you how to wash clothes in 3 easy steps. The 3 steps are load, select, empty. First, you load your washer with your clothes and your laundry soap. To add soap, you open the drawer on the left. You pour a little bit of the soap in to the left-hand side where it says powder/liquid. Don't pour too much. This is an HE washer, and too much soap can ruin it. And then you add vinegar to the right side where it says softener. You fill it up to the fill line, and then you close the drawer. Second, you enter all of your washer settings. You turn it on, you turn the dial to the setting you would like, you set the temperature, and you hit start. When the washer beeps, you pull your laundry out, and you are all done.